Okay guys, so here's how you can add a music to a post on Facebook. So you can see I'm here on my Facebook, and what I want to do is just to create a new post. So I have a category to like create a story, reel, live, upload a video, but I just want to just create a new post right there. So this is how it works, right? So this is what I'm going to do. I can access, you can see the photos and like videos and stuff. So it really depends on what I want to do. So let's say that I just add an actual picture, right? So I'm just going to click in here and add a photo. So I can, besides that, also like tag people, do a live video, all the stuff that you're probably familiar with. However, at the bottom, you could notice that if you just, if I can add a picture in here, you're going to notice that, for example, I add this picture there. And now if I want to just continue with it, I don't really have the option to like add any music to it, which is kind of annoying because it's not available. It's not showing up in here, right? So the way to add music to this post is not by clicking at the bottom or anything, but instead what I want you to do is to click on the three dots that you have next to an image right there. And this will show you more options, which allows you to remove the photo, edit it, make it a 3D, or edit the text. But I want you to click on edit photo. So when you click on edit photo right there, so you're going to notice that it moves you over to a completely different page. And this looks much more familiar, right? And at the top, you already have the music icon. So the music icon at the top basically allows you to add any song to the post, right? However, this is just on the professional account, which means that if I look up some mainstream artists, it's probably not going to be available because the business account is for business purposes, and not every single song is suited or has the license. It doesn't really work like that. So there's a difference if you use a personal account and a business account, but you can also just look it up right there. It's going to show you or give you some songs available for you. As you can see, I have the business use account, so it is kind of limited, but this is just how it is. It's how it works, right? So this is basically all that there is to know about it. You have to edit the photo and then add the music there additionally. But once you're done, you just click on next, you just keep on continuing, and you can upload and publish the post normally to Facebook or Facebook and Instagram. Whatever you decide to do, it's up to you, but this is how it works. So I'm going to discard the post right now, and that's basically all I wanted to show you. This is how you can add music to Facebook post on your iPhone. Before we wrap up, I need to show you this as well, which is the Foxtecc educational platform. It is free to join. It's going to be linked down below in the description, and you can watch many different courses on, for example, Dynamic Island, in-depth guides for many different apps and stuff. Definitely something to join right now, and I'll see you guys later in the future. Thanks a lot for watching. See you guys in the next Foxtecc video.